Assalamu alaikum dear students. Once again, welcome back to Qura Education System e-learnings. It's your English grammar lecture and I am your English teacher Anam. Hopefully you're fine and doing great with your families wherever you are. Stay safe and don't stop learning. So our today's topic is possessive nouns. What is a noun? Yes, very good. Noun is a name of a person, place, thing or animal. Noun possession, when we are talking mind, when you heard that word possessive. Hmm? Okay, let me explain. Definition. What is the definition of possessive noun? A possessive noun used to show possession means owning or having something. For example, you have your cell phones, or you have your bag, you have your book. You are owner of that thing. You have that thing. So it's your possession. If you have your pencil in your hand, whose pencil is this? Yes, obviously, it's your pencil. You're going to tell me, your classmates or whoever around you will tell me that it's Ahmed's or it's Amna's pencil. It shows your possession, that you are owner of that thing. It can also show an attribute or aspect. The book's pages, possessive nouns tell you who or what the modified nouns or pronouns belong to. I already explained that if you're having something, when we ask the question, whose book is this? You're gonna give me a name of a person that this book belongs to Ahmed. It's Ahmed's possession. Books pages, when we are talking about, which pages we are talking about, we have notebooks also, but when I tell you to open page number 5 of your English book page, I am telling you to open your book page. Possession of that pages belongs to the. So how we I am going to explain you that. Can you see in the picture what it is? It's a collar. Collar to which is used for dogs. The dog's collar is red. What is the dog's collar? What is the color of dog's collar? It's red. As you can see in the picture. But I have used something over here. What is that? I'll tell you more. The word dogs is the possessive noun. Whose collar we are talking about? Dog's collar we are talking about. It tells you that noun, dog, collar belongs to the dog. Noun, collar. Collar is also a noun, but it belongs to another noun which is a dog. Add s apostrophe s to the end of a singular noun to make it possessive. How we can show possession of any noun? We will write its name and after that we will add apostrophe and s to show the possession. Here are what are the options. Something are optional over here. If the noun is singular and ends with s, sometimes noun end with s, so we can add apostrophe s or we can only add apostrophe, just this one. For example, we have the bus's engine stop. It's correctly right, but you can see over here bus is a word which end with s, so we have added apostrophe s, correct. But if we write it like this, the bus apostrophe engine stop, it's also correct. Okay, do you understand? We saw the children's art at work. Children is a plural. Child singular and children plural, but it doesn't end with s, so we have added apostrophe s over here. Children plus apostrophe s to show the possession whose artwork we are talking about. Noun that are plurals but do not end with s. Singular that ends with s, we can use apostrophe s or only apostrophe also. But if nouns which are plurals and it does not end with s, so we will add apostrophe and s both. Okay, as you can see over here. Now next one, how I am going to explain that my sisters names are Erika and Racheal. Sisters is a plural. Okay, sister singular and sisters plural means they are talking about two persons or more than two persons. So we have just added apostrophe. It's a plural and it ends with s, so we have just added apostrophe over here. Sister plus apostrophe to show the possession. With words that are plurals and end with s like sisters, add the apostrophe to the end. I have already explained that. The next one is some more examples I am going to tell you over here. The sailor's boat was uncomfortable. Sailor singular, to show the possession. What we have done, we have apostrophe and s both to show the possession. The next one is the class teacher was busy. Class singular, but it ends with s. If we have added apostrophe after apostrophe s more, it will become classes. It's correct, but to make it more easy, we just added apostrophe to show the possession of the teacher. For example, if you are in class 3, 4, 5, there will be a name of your teacher. Take my name, it's Miss Anam's class. Anam, and after that apostrophe and s to show my possession. Okay, the next one is the pony's rider was too small. Pony singular, to show possession, it doesn't add n with s, so we added apostrophe and s to show the possession again. Amy's report card was excellent. The attendants, again plural, so we just added apostrophe to show the possession. Uniform blue. Making, how to make possessive nouns. Here are a few more examples. The dress belonging to N. Whose dress we are talking about? N's dress. So how we will make it? N apostrophe S to show the possession of N's dress. The sword belonging to Knight. Knight's sword. The pads belonging to the cricketer. Cricketer's pad. The shop belonging to the butcher. Butcher's shop. The gloves of the boxer. Boxer's glove. If you have any kind of question, obviously this was end of our topic. If you have any kind of question regarding to the video or the topic, you can contact me on the given information. You can please go and watch my channel, subscribe it and like it, and I will be waiting for your comments. Give me feedback. Did you like my video or not? And this is my Facebook page. I have shared link over here also. Go and like my page also. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.